Hi, RJ Baxter here, Fairway Mortgage. I want to talk a minute today about a forbearance on a mortgage payment or deferring a mortgage payment. Tomorrow is April 1st, so our mortgage payments are due if you're a current homeowner. And if you didn't know this already, it's all over the news, so most people have heard about this, but the government put forth a mandate that loan servicers have to make it available to homeowners to be able to defer mortgage payments if they're in a hardship because of the coronavirus situation. The interesting thing is, from my understanding, you don't have to document that you're in a hardship. All you have to do is voice to the servicer that you are in a hardship. So that means that you don't necessarily need to have, there's no qualifying standards for doing this deferment. So I wanted to stress that if you decide that you want to contact your servicer to arrange for a deferment or a forbearance, think carefully about this before you do it, because it could have serious implications on your situation. Let's talk about it first from the perspective of if you own a home now, just your current situation, even if you're not looking to buy a home or refinance. So on your current mortgage, if you contact your servicer to defer your payments, that doesn't mean that the payment just goes away and you never have to pay it. It means that in the future, you have to make an arrangement with your servicer to repay these payments that you've skipped, whatever format that looks like. So basically, what this means is if that doesn't play out how you thought, or you end up losing your job down the road or something like that, this could result in a foreclosure situation. And that would be a shame for sure if you have a lot of equity in your house. There's record levels of equity in people's homes right now across America. So if you are still working and you have a lot of equity in your home and you're worried about having a future hardship, this is something to talk about with your lender, whether it makes sense to look at a cash out refinance, to consolidate debt, something like that, and take advantage of your equity now when you're in a good position. So think about it before you contact your servicer to do a deferment for that reason, if you don't really need it right now. The other thing is, if you're seeking a mortgage right now or in the near future, if you enter into a forbearance agreement, this is going to affect your ability to qualify for the next mortgage. Your current mortgage is going to have to be brought current before you can qualify for the new mortgage. This is something to keep in mind. Now, if you're doing the forbearance because of a hardship like job loss or a reduction in hours or pay or whatever it is, you may not qualify for a mortgage anyway for that reason. But this is something to keep in mind, especially if you're considering contacting your servicer just because you heard you can just skip a mortgage payment and maybe never repay it. So I just wanted to dispel some of the myths around this forbearance and mortgage payment deferment. So give me a call if you have any questions on this, especially on your specific situation. I'd be happy to answer that. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, be smart, and we are definitely here for you. Thanks for watching.